2020, presets have been completely reimagined. So your entire experience of using presets like gradients, shapes, styles, patterns is a whole lot new experience. All right, you have different panels, dedicated panels for all these presets. You can see each preset by playing around with their size right within the panel itself before you actually use it on your artwork, or when you drag and drop it to the canvas or on your image. All right, so you can rearrange the presets, you can better manage them, and let me just show you what I mean. All right, so it's a cutting edge experience. So you can see I have patterns, gradients, shapes, styles, all the presets docked in this palette, and each preset within its panel, you can see they now have folders. All right, so these are properly grouped, categorized folders, and I can see each preset within the preview of each preset within the panel itself. All right, so for patterns, if I go to the flyout menu for the panel by clicking this small three lines on the top right hand side of the panel, I can basically play around with the preview size. So right now I'm looking at large thumbnails. I can switch to small thumbnails. Alright, I can look at the text only. So typically I would like to stick to large thumbnails, and then I can always drag and drop these thumbnails on the canvas. Alright. Likewise, we have previews for different patterns, different categories of patterns. So we have a category for trees, for grass, we have a category for water. Alright, so let's say for example, if I go to layers, and in the masthead layer, let me just hide these styles. Alright, and for Sydney, you can see I have applied a lot of styles. Let me remove the pattern overlay from here, and maybe what I can do is I can just drag and drop a pattern. Let's stick to water, or should we go with trees? Okay, so I just want to make it look a little funky, so I'm just going to drag and drop it over here and see the change in real time. How cool is that? Alright, so now again, if I want, I can colorize this, I can play around with the color or add some new styles to the layer, but you got the idea. Alright, so just like patterns, we also have presets, previews for gradients. Again, we have different categories. We can expand these categories by clicking these 12 triangles over here. Alright, so we have categories for blues, for basics, different types of gradient families, color families of gradients. So we have a color family, a gradient family for purple. Alright, so just go on expanding these categories by playing around with these 12 triangles. And then again, if you want, you can always change the preview size over here. Alright, so I can switch to small size, or I can switch to large list. Then I would see it in a stacking order, in a list stacking order, and then again I can also see a small preview of what the gradient is going to look like. So let's drag and drop this particular gradient over here, and you can see we have applied the gradient in real time. Alright, so likewise, we also have previews for shapes, and this is really something which is going to blow your mind. Alright, so you can have a look at shapes before you actually go on drag and dropping them. Alright, so let's say I want to have this shape on the canvas. Now what Photoshop will do is, not only will it drop the artwork, the shape on the canvas, it is also going to create an extra vector layer for you. So let's go and investigate the layers panel, and you can see the apple tree has been placed on a new and a dedicated apple tree 1 layer. Alright, it's a vector object. If I click check mark, let me just go ahead and increase the size first. So oops, let me hit Ctrl Z. So I'm just going to go ahead and increase the size. Let's position it somewhere over here, And let's see, I'm going to apply a color. First of all, let me just go ahead and commit the changes to have a look at it. So this is how it looks. If you want, you can play around with the color as well. So this is basically how you can drag and drop presets like patterns, gradients, shapes, styles within your artwork, on your images. But before doing them, you now have an ability to better rearrange them, reorder them, create new groups. You can always create new groups for patterns by clicking create new group button from the bottom right hand side of the panel. So I'm just going to double click it, call it a move custom. Alright, and then I can always drag and drop my custom created patterns over here, or I can also drag and drop presets like this. Alright, I can rearrange them. So let me just go ahead and apply a grass preset over here. So this is basically how you play around with presets. Alright, so much more organized. Moving over to the next feature. Hello friends, if you really like this segment, then please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can click the bell icon right below this video to be notified about our new tutorials, best practices, tips and tricks as and when we share them. And yes, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest on the links provided below this video. Thank you.